Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is June 16th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Globus Maritime, a key player in the dry bulk shipping industry. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited to discuss Globus Maritime's performance and what it means for investors.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Globus Maritime reported a revenue of $8.6 million for Q1 2025, up from $7.7 million in the same quarter last year. However, they posted a net loss of $1.5 million. John, can you break this down for us?
Absolutely. The increase in revenue is primarily due to the expansion of their fleet, which increased the average number of vessels from 6.7 to 9.8. Despite this, the company faced a net loss of $1.5 million, largely due to higher operating expenses and a decrease in the time charter equivalent rate, which fell from $11,862 to $9,225 per day.
And what about their earnings per share?
The EPS for this quarter was a loss of 7 cents, compared to a loss of 1 in the previous year. This reflects the increased costs and lower charter rates impacting their bottom line.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Globus Maritime has been focusing on operational efficiencies and future growth. They recently completed a successful biofuel test voyage. How does this position them for the future?
The successful biofuel test is a significant milestone for Globus Maritime. It demonstrates their commitment to reducing carbon emissions and aligning with future environmental regulations. This positions them well for upcoming changes in the industry, such as the Fuel EU Maritime and IMO's revised carbon intensity regulations.
And what about their fleet and future prospects?
They currently operate 9 vessels and are expanding with 2 more Ultramaxes scheduled for delivery in 2026. Their focus on a younger, more fuel-efficient fleet should help them maintain cost control and capitalize on new regulatory environments. Management has expressed a positive view of the medium and long-term prospects of the industry.
Financial health and strategic initiatives. Let's talk about their financial health. Globus Maritime recently sold a vessel for $8.55 million. How does this impact their financial position?
The sale of the vessel is part of their strategy to modernize and expand their fleet. It provides them with additional liquidity, which is crucial given their current debt of $133.1 million. They have $54.2 million in cash, which, along with their strong relationships with lenders, allows them to explore various financing options to support their fleet modernization efforts.
What are the key strategic initiatives they're focusing on?
Globus Maritime is committed to driving change in the maritime sector by investing in cleaner fuels, operational efficiency, and innovation. Their ongoing fleet renewal and expansion efforts are central to this strategy, ensuring they remain competitive and compliant with future regulations.
Key takeaways. In summary, Globus Maritime has shown resilience with a revenue increase to $8.6 million, despite a net loss of $1.5 million. Their successful biofuel test and ongoing fleet expansion highlight their commitment to sustainability and growth. John, any final thoughts?
Globus Maritime is navigating a challenging environment with strategic initiatives that position them well for the future. Investors should keep an eye on their fleet modernization and environmental compliance efforts as key drivers of future performance.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Globus Maritime's performance in the comments below.